What do you want to do tomorrow?
Good morning, 잠은 잘 잤니, baby? 스킨십 사양할게요. 희미한 우리들 사이, no, no. 확실한 답을 원해요. 친구는 아니지만 연인도 아닌 듯해. 참 헷갈려 골치 아파 이대로도 좋은 듯해. Fine. Just tell me now. 희미한 감정 속에서 내가 한 발자국을 넘어가 볼까. 솔직히 감이 안 잡혀. Just tell me. 넌 같은 생각 있는지. Just tell me now, baby. 설레는 지금 이 순간 살며시가 건넌 듯한 고백. 서로의 마음 짚어볼까. 너를 향한 이 맘을 접을지 말지 고민 좀 솔직하게. Just tell me now, please be my boy. 희미한 감정 속에서 내가 한 발자국을 넘어가 볼까. 솔직히 감이 안 잡혀. Just tell me. 넌 같은 생각 있는지. Just tell me now, baby. 설레는 지금 이 순간 살며시가 건넌 듯한 고백. Just tell me now, please be my boy. 살며시가 건넌 듯한 고백. 서로의 마음 짚어볼까.
date. So share mo yan, na gitna yung susawan. Again. Shortcut ah. Wow. Oh no. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Another one, another page. Oh, what is that? Are you gonna make a sun?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show them how you make it? Wow! That was so good. You're great, huh? Let's go. What is that? That's an ice cream? That's a cloud. Good job. You're doing good. It's Paw Patrol. So, Rubble cannot stand because of its big head. Oh no! Oh no! How can he stand up? Oh no! What is this? Is this part? Today is Sam's first day in school where she did not cry. Yay! All their friends?
Yeah.
No. She say, help me find my friend. What color is this? Oh no! Sabi niya, you help find the friend. What's her ano? What's their color? Oh no! I'm so proud of you for today. You did a good job today, right? I'm so proud. I'm so sorry. I was not there to see you go to school without crying. But I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you, love. Yeah, I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy that you didn't cry going to school. Were you happy?
Yeah.
The teachers were happy about you, right?
I think Mama.
Wow, you are doing a good job in circling. Come on, do you want to do this? This is like a puzzle. So you start, and then you need to go to the finish line. Finish! Oh no, not like that. Oh no, oh no. Go, go. Man, I'm so happy talaga you go to school. What did Daddy bought you when you did grocery? You did grocery together though. What did you buy?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? What else? Yeah, did you finish it all? 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 She told me you bought 5. You finish it all? No more na?
Okay, look.
No more na? Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Sure. Your teeth will have boo-boo if you don't brush your teeth. You eat too much candy. What did you do today in school?
I know.
What did you do?
I'm so pagod.
You're so pagod?
Yeah.
Pagod in what? Oh no. You have a pen. Oh no! No, don't on my clothes. No. Okay. Erase this. Saya pala nito, you know. I buy you more of like this.
Yeah.
Because it's nice. Because you can erase nga. So you can do it all over again, no?
Yeah.
You like something like this?
Yeah.
A tracer like this?
Mama, can get my coin.
Again. There's more pages. Let's do another page. You tired or no?
Okay.
I'm tired. What do you want to do tomorrow? No school tomorrow. You want to go to school?
Yeah.
You really?
Yeah, but I didn't cry.
You want to go to school?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure with what you're saying?
Yeah. Hi, guys.
Hi guys. Yeah. Kadiri ka. What was that? Kadiri si Sam. Loko. Yak. Wala. Lamay mo.
Guys, look. Guys.
Hindi naman nila makita. Look, look, look. That's her lawa. You pointed. Baboy mo. Babay ka na. Bye, boy.
No.
What do you want to say pa? What do you want to do tomorrow? No office tomorrow for mom.
Hello, like that.
What? Yeah, what do you want to do?
Say hello. Hello.
Say hello. Stay at home lang tayo tomorrow. You show muna the You show the dogs. Who are they? You introduce them. Who are they? I think is that Marshall?
No.
No? You sure this is not Marshall? Look.
Oh, yeah! Mommy, look. I take up, look. I take, look.
Oh no! Putol na! Ala! Putol! Oh no! Putol si Sky. Who is this? I don't know what's that name. Which one?
I can.
Oh! Look! He was able to stand up! Rubble!
Wow!
Wow! Hi!
Look.
Oh no! Oh no! Again.
Look. Mommy, look. Oh no.
Oh no, you sira it na. No, pakunta na yung paa ni Sky. Yag.
Hi.
Okay, bye. Clean up muna, ma'am. Bye.